Thank you so much for joining me again today. I'm Mrs. Coin, and this is the next episode of Write With Me. Write With Me is a time when we just get together and we write and we chat and we share what we're thinking and what we're writing about. So I'm so glad you're here with me today. Now, for today's Write With Me, you may have your writer's notebook. And if you don't have a writer's notebook and you want to learn how to make your own writer's notebook, I will have a link down below for you to see the episode all about how to create a writer's notebook. But if you don't want to make a writer's notebook, that's a-okay too. Maybe you have some extra paper laying around the house. Maybe you have an old notebook, some scrap paper that your parents were using at one point and were about to throw away. That all makes excellent writing paper. I'm also going to write with a marker, but if you have a pen or a pencil or crayons or whatever you would like to write with, you are absolutely welcome to write with. So let's go ahead and get started. Today we're going to make another entry in our writer's notebook. Last time we made our first entry in our writer's notebook, and we made a list all about members in our family. And you guys know me, you know that I love to make lists. I think lists are so much fun to write. They're a great way to kind of just jot down your ideas really fast and a great way to just keep track of those ideas. But they're lots of fun because you can do so many different things with them and it doesn't take long at all to make a list. So I thought for today's Write With Me, I'd invite you to write a new list with me. Now with any episode of Write With Me, you are welcome to write about whatever you want to. But I'm going to give you some ideas. And today, I'm going to invite you to write a new list along with me. And this list is all going to be about our dream birthday parties. Now, you may have a birthday coming up. You may have already had a birthday this year. Maybe your birthday is not for like almost a year away, like my birthday, but it is never a bad time to start imagining what your dream birthday party would be like. So I invite you to close your eyes and imagine if you could have any birthday party in the world, any kind of party you would like, what would it be like? Give me a thumbs up when you have an idea. Oh, awesome. All right, let's go ahead and make our list. My dream birthday party. My dream birthday party. Okay, so I'm going to think of, all right, Mrs. Coin, if you were having a birthday party, any kind that you wanted, what would it be like? What would I have? Oh, I know for sure my dream birthday party would be at the beach. E, that's an E-A making that E sound. Beach. What two letters say ch? Oh, that's right, C-H. It would be at the beach because I grew up near the ocean in New England and I love the ocean. I don't live close to the ocean now, but if I could have my birthday party anywhere I wanted to be, it would be at the beach. So I just drew a little starfish, a little seashell for beach. Now who would come to my birthday party? Oh, I would definitely want my family there. Family. Definitely want my family to be at my party with me. Let's see. There's my husband, Mr. Mike, rocking his shades. You might remember from the last list that Mr. Coin loves to wear his sunglasses, especially when he's working outside. And my daughter, Elena. She's 3 years old. I know she'd love to come to the party. And some friends too. I would love to invite my friends. Friends. And that's kind of tricky. Friends has an I-E, making that S sound in friends. My friends. I'd have to invite Katie and Molly and Ashley and all of my other dear friends that I enjoy hanging out with. Awesome. Okay. So I know my dream birthday party would be at the beach. I'd invite my family and my friends. What would we eat? Oh, I know. Oh my gosh. At my dream birthday party, guys, I would love to eat lobster. How many of you like to eat lobster? Have you ever eaten lobster? Oh man, it is definitely one of those really special foods that I don't get to eat very often, but when I do, oh, it tastes so good. Lobster. Oh, that would be so yummy. Now, I'm not really good at drawing lobsters, but you know what? Writers and illustrators don't have to be perfect. That's the beautiful thing about writing and drawing in a writer's notebook is you can just kind of experiment. The lobster kind of looks like that. It's got antennae like that. And he's got some claws coming out to the side like that. That's pretty good. Not too bad for a lobster. What else? Oh my gosh. And of course, there'd have to be cake. Not just any cake, you guys. Chocolate cake's my favorite. What's your favorite kind of cake? Ooh, that sounds good too. Chocolate. Ch. CH, making that ch sound. Ch. Ah. K. Chocolate. Cake. K. A. Oh, that A is saying its name. Cake. So there must be an E at the end. The E jumps over the K and makes the A say A. Chocolate cake. My favorite. And there's a cake with a candle. Okay, so at my dream birthday party, it would be at the beach. I would invite my family, my friends. Ooh, I'd eat lobster. Definitely eat some chocolate cake. What would we do at my dream birthday party? Oh, I know. There would definitely be music and dancing because I love music and I love to dance. So I'm going to write dance. 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 Oh, and of course we need music to dance to, right? Dance and music. Music. I'm going to draw some music notes. And maybe can draw a little person dancing here. Now, I'm not the best dancer in the world, you guys, but I still do it anyway. There's a person dancing there. Awesome. So there's my list for my dream birthday party. My dream birthday party would be at the beach. I'd have my family and my friends there. We would eat lobster and chocolate cake, and we would dance and have music. What list did you write today? What's on your list? Awesome. What great ideas you have, you guys. Wonderful writing. Now, next time I see you, I think what I might do is show you how I take these ideas from my writer's notebook and turn them into books. So the next time, you might choose something from your writer's notebook too that you would like to turn into a story too. We'll do that together next time. Have a wonderful day, writers. I'll see you again soon.